Hi guys, this is a follow-up video on how to set up the Alexa Echo with Harmony Hub and the if triggers. So the first thing that we have to do, download all the apps. Of course, you have the Alexa app, the Harmony app, the if app. You download all from the iOS store. I have the Wink app. I also have Lutron to control my hallway lights. Alright, so let's start first with Harmony. Well, the first thing that you have to do, so you have activities. These are all the activities that I have to set up for the Alexa to control the cable on the TV. So for anything that you want to do, you have to set up an activity. But first, you have to connect your devices. So here you see if you do edit device, add a new device down here at the bottom, and then scan for Wi-Fi devices. This will scan and add most of your devices, but it will not add all of them. Like in my case, you only found the TV, and the Amazon Fire TV stick. That's the only two it found the first time I ran the scan. So then all you have to do, you do edit device, you hit the plus sign, and then you, whichever computer, entertainment device, you add it yourself. Here you put the device. I had to do my Xbox this way, and I had to do my cable box this way. You just enter the manufacturer, Xbox, device number, 360, and you hit add, and it will work. So after you add all the devices here, and then you go to activities. So now what you want to do is you want to set up an activity for whatever you want. You want it to set an activity to turn the TV on. I'm just going to hit edit, add activity. So now it's gonna ask if you want to choose this. It's like a little shortcut, or you want to add your own activity. I always go add your own activity. Then you just pick any icon that you want here, whatever, TV. You put TV on. You hit next here at the top. So it's going to ask you, what activity do you want to achieve? Here, let's say I want my TV to turn on. My DVR, it's always on, so I never mess with it. And let's say I want to do just the TV. You choose the TV, you hit next. It says, what do you want to do? You want to watch TV. Then it's going to ask you, is the TV on? If it's not on, it says press the on button. You press the on button, you turn the TV on. You say my devices are on. Now here you have to choose what input do you want it to turn on. So you select it, and then you choose the input. Mine happens to be on HDMI 4. I'll leave it there. You hit next. It asks you, are you able to see and hear the content coming from your TV? I can. You hit yes. If you're not, then you hit no, and then it's going to go individually and troubleshoot the cable and the TV until it gets the right codes. You hit yes. It says sync in your changes. It's going to sync the changes with the Harmony Hub. And you have to have your Harmony Hub hooked up to the same Wi-Fi as you do your phone. It says test it. If you test it now, it's going to turn the TV on and off. Oh, about TV went off. There you go. TV is off. It should turn it back on. There we go. Turns it back on. If you look at the app, it says start an activity, TV on, test an activity. And TV is back on. It says, did your TV turn on correctly? You hit yes. Some favorite channels that you can pick. You can skip this step for right now. And now you're gonna see it's on here somewhere. Should be at the bottom. TV on. So that's your activities. So you set up activities like this for everything. See, I have for my guides, for guide up, for minus and plus for volume, to turn the volume up and down, channels to go up and down, stars, my favorite channels, CNN, TV, Xbox. And so let's do another one. Let's do add activity. So now let's say I want my volume up. Add your own activity. Whatever. You put here volume up. Volume up. Done. Next. Volume up on what? I want the volume up on my TV. There you go. Watch TV. My devices are on. It's the correct HDMI port. I can hear everything. It syncs the changes. There's an extra step after you do this for the volume. I want to test this later. Skip that. Okay, so now now we have volume up. But only if you press this, it's not going to do anything because we did not set the volume setting yet. So what you do, you hit activities, volume up, now it's going to ask you, edit start sequence. You click here. Oh, go back. Edit start, oops. Edit activities, volume up. See, edit start sequence. Now you do edit entertainment device. Add a step. So now the step is going to be device name, the Samsung TV, assign, that's the command. So now here you have, if you want to do channel down, channel list, channel up, exit. I don't want e-manual, I want volume up. Smart hub, volume up, volume down. Here are the two choices. Volume up, you hit next. So now we have volume up, TV on, HDMI 4. You hit next. Saves your changes. So now you have to set up this way. First you set up the activity, then you go back on it and you edit it, and then you add that extra step for whatever you want to do. Close it. So now volume up, it will turn the volume up on the here's an example. If I say Alexa, trigger volume up,
sending that to IFT.
It's going to send the command to IFT. IFT's going to send the command to Harmony Hub, and hopefully we'll see a volume up. Takes a couple of seconds. Let's try that again. Alexa, trigger volume up.
mehr to it.
And the volume went up to 2, as you guys saw. Then I got a notification on my phone because I have it set up to notify me every time. All right, so but that is just setting up the activities on the hub, Harmony Hub. Now you have to go to if, and you have to set up the activities here so it can communicate with the Harmony Hub. This is when you first initial open the if app, and this is all my receipts that I have created to control my TV, my lights, Xbox, Amazon TV, all this fun stuff. So to create a new receipt, you just hit the plus sign and you say Amazon Alexa, create a receipt. So if this, then that. So if Amazon Alexa, and we'll do a say specific phrase, if Amazon Alexa volume.
Sorry, I didn't get that. Please try again.
Volume, no volume, volume. Since I already have one that says volume up, I'll just do this. Then you hit next. So if Alexa, if you say Alexa trigger volume up, then what do you want it to do? So now you want the Harmony Hub, and you want to end the activity or start the activity. So you want to start the activity, and then you choose the activity that you set up earlier. Like we have volume up. Yep, volume up. You hit done. You hit next, and it's gonna sync. See here, do you want a notification? I have notification on all of them. So now every time you say Alexa trigger volume up on your, it's gonna, Alexa's gonna say sending that to if, and then the volume on the TV should come up. Again, it's a delay, takes a couple of seconds. That's because you are going through the if. Alexa, trigger volume up.
Sending that to it.
Because you're going through a kind of cloud. The volume up and down are not used that much, obviously, because it's taken forever. Alexa, trigger volume down.
Sending that to it.
Volume went down to 1. All right. Let's look at how to set up Xbox. I'm going to turn this off because I have one already. Let's go back to the Harmony Hub. See, I already set up the Xbox. Someone right here. Here is my Xbox activity. Let's go back. So let's do edit activity, add activity. So now we want to do start sequence. We want to do edit entertainment. So we have the TV, the Samsung on HDMI 3. Add a step. Device. No. because we want to edit it. Go back, go back, go back, go back. I'm gonna do this. Okay, power on, okay. Oh, this is the volume up. Did I not do a new one? So, add activity. Add activity, that's for a new activity. Now you want to do add your own activity. Oh, game, Xbox. I'll put 2 since I have one already. So now it's going to ask you which one do you want to choose. I want to choose the TV and the Xbox. I want to choose the TV because it's on a different HDMI port. So play a game. It says make sure that they're both on. Both of mine are on. My devices are on. See here you can choose what on your Samsung TV, where do you have it connected to. I have it to HDMI 3. HDMI 3. And you hit yes. It's going to ask you to test it after it's done. Alexa, trigger TV on.
Sending that to IFT.
I want to test it later. So now I'm going to show you guys how. So this is set up in the activity. Now again, to have this to work with your Alexa, you have to go to if, and then you hit plus receipt. You say Amazon Alexa, create receipt if Amazon Alexa says a specific phrase. The phrase is Xbox on. I'll put Xbox on too, because I already have an Xbox. So if Alexa says that, then you want Harmony Hub to start an activity, and you choose the one that the activity that you made on your Harmony Hub. You hit next, and then it's a done deal. So now, if I say Alexa, trigger Xbox,
Sending that to IFT.
it's gonna automatically change the input and turn Xbox on. It should, unless I messed it up now by doing another Xbox. Nope, here it is. Xbox on. Takes a couple seconds. Alright guys, one more thing. I have an activity. I had the hardest time trying to figure out how to turn the TV off. So it was simple, but it took a long time to figure it out. So I have an activity set up on my Harmony Hub that says TV on. TV on. The original one, TV, right here. That's the activity that you set. So when you go to if app, you do my receipts to turn the TV off. My receipts. You do go back. Yep, my receipts. You do right here. Create a receipt. Sorry guys. Create a receipt if Amazon says a specific phrase TV off. I'll do it like this because I have a few. Then Harmony Hub, and this is a very important step, you end the activity. You don't start the activity, you end the activity. You end the activity, and the activity being TV on. So then it's going to end that activity and it's going to shut the TV off. We can look now. Alexa, trigger TV off.
Sending that to IFT.
And TV goes off. So very important for you to end the activity. Alright guys, hopefully this was helpful. It took me a while to figure it out. If you have any questions, just post them in the comment. I'll try to help. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.